Today I have two items from CLEARLOVE to show you, a tunic top, which I am wearing, and a V-neck dress. I'm starting off showing you the tunic top, which is what I'm wearing. It's a nice wine red color. It is the full length sleeve. They do have a short sleeve option available. It does come in many other colors. Look, you can see the back. Very pretty, little buttons here, and it flares out, very flattering look. One thing that's great about CLEARLOVE is they do offer sizing for real women. They range from medium all the way to 3XL. The fabric on this, what I really like is that it's a nice thick fabric. A lot of these things that you order online, you get it in their sheer, thin, cheap feeling fabrics. This is a very nice fabric in this, nothing sheer about it. It's flattering and it fits true to size. You don't get the large size and you get it on and you can barely fit it on. It's a very nice fit and very comfortable. As you see, I'm wearing it with jeans today, but you could wear it with skirt, you could wear it with leggings because it is long enough. Very versatile top. They come in a lot of different colors to coordinate with whatever you want to match it with. All right, the other great item I got, I'm going to try this one on next. See, CLEARLOVE, the very cute V-neck dress. Well, let's see here. Oh, that doesn't have what it's made out of on here. You wanted me to read the... I usually have a tag somewhere else, like down here. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. This is a 60% cotton, 35% polyester, 5% spandex mix. So I like it. It is the nice thick fabric and has some stretch to it. This is the V-neck wrap dress, which I really like. I actually wore this to a job interview. It's very versatile. You can dress it up with jewelry or a blazer or a shawl, or wear it by itself. It does cross here in the front, like sort of a wrap style, very flattering. Doesn't, you know, cling or show bulges. One thing I thought was interesting, it does have the little zipper. If you wanted to get a size where you wanted it really form-fitting, that's not how I like it. I like it with a little bit of give. I think that's a very flattering fit, like this. But it has this. This could be helpful for getting on and off. The fabric is very soft and comfortable. It's sort of a medium weight fabric, but not sheer at all. You can wash this or dry clean it. I have actually put it through the wash and it did just fine. Hang to dry is probably the best method. This is a very flattering style. The 3/4 length sleeves, really good. Just goes right below the knee, which is a good length. As I said before, I really love the fact that the CLEARLOVE line comes all the way up to size 3XL. You don't have to worry about if you're not a teeny tiny lady that you can't fit in these nice stylish clothes. Very comfortable, very easy care, very versatile. So we have this nice V-line, V-neck dress and tunic top. Two very nice items from CLEARLOVE. Please check the description section below for more information, and thanks for watching.